Hi, my name is Kaixian and my son Thaddeus Tan is 2.5 years old. We are a Singaporean family. Thaddeus has been attending preschool at Holland International School for the last few months. When Miss Carrie gave me the school tour, what really stood out was how unpretentious the environment at Holland International School was. The hallway proudly displays the students' achievements as well as students-initiated projects. One particular project that really touched me was the collection of clothes for domestic helpers in Singapore. This is thoughtful and relevant for a community that is often overlooked even in one's own home. We want Thaddeus to grow up knowing that he can make a difference in the community in which he lives in, and we want him to know that no effort is insignificant and he can make positive changes in the world. I also felt this deep sense of community within the school gates. Everyone seems happy to be here. I see smiling faces the minute I enter the school, from the security team, the janitors, the administration, and the educators. It was really the happy, positive vibes that draws me to HIS. We visited over 20 schools before choosing Holland International School. It came highly recommended by our friend whose daughter is in year 2. We felt that most of the preschool we visited were either too focused on preparing the children for Singapore education system or were too formulaic in their approaches. We wanted something fundamentally different for Thaddeus. We wanted a system that recognizes him as an individual and work with us to support his interests and help him fulfill his potential. This was evident most recently. Even though Thaddeus has only attended HIS for a couple of months, his teachers were open and encouraging towards his participation in the school talent show despite his young age, and they enthusiastically supported him in the preparation for the event. We wanted a partner in cultivating a passion for lifelong learning and exploration in Thaddeus, rather than a system that focuses on hitting all the academic milestones at the expense of a positive learning spirit. We live in a world of rapid change, not least from AI, where good grades no longer guarantee happiness or a successful career. We seek to build in Thaddeus the traits of tenacity, resilience, and adaptability. We feel this comes from not just the curriculum, but the teachers, the students, and the entire school ethos and community. Our expectation and hope is that HIS provides a safe and conducive environment for Thaddeus to pursue his interests and help him find the joy in learning in school and beyond. Childhood should be fun, safe, and carefree. Children should be supported in their interests and be given the freedom to explore. Our experience thus far has been relatively short but positive. Thaddeus has settled in well, been happy, and it has been a pleasure watching him grow and thrive under the caring teachers.